Hey everyone, and in this video I'm gonna talk about top 5 JS libraries that you should use in 2022 to make your website even better looking, even beautiful. Okay, so let's get started with the video. And before starting, do comment down if you use any of these JS libraries or any other of these JS libraries. Okay, so let's start with the video. The first library is 3JS. Okay, and a lot of you may know the name because it is one of the most popular JS libraries, 3JS. Okay, you may know the name and you may also use it. Okay, so 3JS, what does it do? Is used to animate 3D objects and put it in your website and to add in your website. Okay, and you can also call it as blender in your website because it is used to make 3D objects or 3D animations. It is kind of blender but not blender. Okay, you don't need to learn blender, I'm just saying. So it is used for 3D animations. Okay, and you can see right here how beautiful websites will be looking if you are using this library 3JS, and it is just awesome. Okay, very powerful library. Okay, it is the master for 3D animations. Okay, and the second library is anime.js. Okay, um, if 3JS is the master for 3D animations, this one, the anime.js, is the master of 2D animations. Okay, on your flat computer screen you can animate anything. Okay, and add to your website. It is the best library for 2D animations, and you can also see some examples here or here, anywhere, how beautiful that looks, how beautiful the website looks. Okay, so you can use that, check it out, and yes, it makes your website a lot cooler. Okay, so the third one um, is Howler JS. Okay, and as the name suggests, it is used for sounds. Okay, it is used to add custom sounds in your website. Okay, then you will say that HTML also have input tag name audio in which you can add sounds, but that is not the efficient way to use sounds to add sounds in a website. Okay, you know the trouble of using that. So instead of that, you should use Howler JS, in which you can you have various options, and like very easy installation, and you can just add any sound effect to your website. Okay, it is just like very easy to use, and especially if you are making or developing a game. Okay, and in game sounds play a major role, so for that reason you should go with Howler JS. It is a great tool, and yes, it is a great tool. Okay, so the fourth one is Video.js. Okay, so the last one is for sounds, and this one, as the name suggests, it is for videos. It is used to add like almost any kind of video in your website. Okay, and again I would like to tell you that in HTML you can add video by using the video tag, but still it is not the efficient way, and I will recommend you to just take a look at this library, use it, and then only you will come to know how good this is. Okay, so yes, if you are inserting any type of videos in your website, and if you want to show any type of videos, you can definitely check this library. Okay, and then the last library but not the least one is Chart.js. Okay, so as the name suggests, it is used to make charts and to add in your website. Okay, and um, I know a lot of you may not use this because like only some websites need charts, but for only those one, okay, I am talking if you are inserting any type of charts, because a lot of websites do insert. So you should use this one. And a major advantage of this one is you can also animate chart. Okay, so like if you can show your chart like growing, like an animation. Okay, so you can use that. And yes, if you are using inserting any chart, any form of chart like pie chart, bar chart, or points chart, you can use this library chart.js. It is an awesome one. Okay, so yes guys, these are the top 5 JS libraries that you should check it out and use in your any future website. And let me know in the comments that are you using any of these website already, or if you are using any different one, then which one. And let me also know that what type of videos do you guys want next and on which topic. Okay, so if you learn anything new, give it a thumbs up to this video. And this is it for this video guys. I will see you guys in the next one.